Like we had like some of the most talented engineers that were doing image banners, buttons, text placement over and over again, and it's kind of like, that's not what you should be using developer for, like that's just mundane stuff. And naturally I think that's where developers start to get bored. I just had a conversation with a team just yesterday where they have a site and they're wanting to start to update the content on there. The old changing of the content, they're trying to find developers who can edit all of that for them. And I came along to them and just said, well, we've got this platform that lets you make this site, make it Sky branded, and the editing can be done by anybody in your team. You don't have to be able to write a piece of code, and you can create an entire website from scratch just using the building blocks that we've got. So rather than having a website that's built by developers and editors can just change little bits of content, it's really editors are building a website and developers are building components and capabilities, and that's the real shift. And it means that over these last 4 years, the developers, once we've made those simple building blocks, we've been able to focus on the back end of our website, making sure that that is compliant and as secure and as performant as possible. And when we start to look at components, we can look at more interesting and exciting components rather than spending so much of our time just building the same thing over and over again. We're at 10 websites now, and I've got another couple more in the pipeline, and I'm going around the business saying, if you've got an external facing website that's with a third party, this tool will be able to do it a lot cheaper than those solutions, and it's more sustainable. You can make it as big as you want. You could make a 200-page website if you wanted, or you can just have a 5-pager, and you have the ability to control it, and you never have to come to us to build anything for you.